Hello and welcome to the Cart Lock app tutorial series from KlinKode. Today we'll show you how to block orders based on products' variant titles in Shopify. Using the variant titles condition, you can easily achieve that, and we'll show you how in this video. Let's open the Cart Lock app. Click the Create Rule button. You will see several combinations here. Use the search box to find your specific conditions and see which combination contains it. In this video, we'll use the variant titles condition. So first, we'll search for variant titles in the search bar and select it. Click Select Delete One combination to continue. After adding the variant titles, you'll see a drop-down with several options. Partial match, exact match, starts with, ends with. Partial match, block if the variant titles contains the entered titles anywhere within it. Exact match, block if the variant titles exactly matches what you entered. Start with, block if the variant titles begins with the entered titles. End with, block if the variant titles ends with the entered titles. For this example, we choose block if found and select the exact match, then enter the variant titles beige. Optionally, if you click on the Add a Condition button, you can see and use all other available conditions under this combination. For this example, we don't need any additional conditions. Now, we will add a proper error message for the customers like, "Sorry you can't order. Please remove the beige variant from the cart." After that, click the Save button to apply your rule. This means that if a customer places an order and they add a wooden spin beige variant, the order will be blocked. Let's go to the checkout page. As you can see, the error message is displayed at the top of the checkout page, so the customer can't place the order and the order completion is fully blocked. This happens because the customer adds a wooden spin beige variant. Customers will still be able to click the Pay or Complete button at the bottom and express checkout buttons like PayPal or Google Pay, but the payment will not be completed. Now let's remove the beige variant and take a look. As you can see, the error message is gone, so now the customer can place the order again. I hope this is clear. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to reach out via live chat or visit our contact page. You'll find both email and WhatsApp support options there. Thanks for using the Cart Lock app. Happy selling!